Hello and welcome to Java with Jim. I'm Jim Reese, joined here with Tamir Ezzat, principal at DDB Workshop. Tamir, how are you today?
Hey, we're great. We're just happy to get some time with you today.
Thanks so much. All right, well, we're going to jump right in. So tell us about DDB Workshop. First of all, it's got to be something with the name, right?
That's right. Yeah.
What do you do there? What makes your company different from other companies in your industry?
Yeah, our bread and butter is architectural services, and I started the company in earnest in April of 2016. So we just celebrated our ninth year anniversary, which we're all very proud of. Started as a small, just trying to make ends meet kind of company. I am an architect by trade. I grew up the son of a builder, and I wanted to find a way to bring those two disciplines together in a practice, and how do we deliver the value of having a builder's mind in an architectural environment. And so the acronym of DDB stands for develop, design, build. And I always thought studio sounded pretentious, so I always said we're a workshop where we're going to sweat, we're going to bleed, we're going to make it happen.
Very blue collar like, right?
Exactly.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks. When it comes to DDB Workshop, what are you most proud of?
I'm most proud of the relentless pursuit of just enduring. I mean, there's a lot of tough times we've all been through, right? Anyone that's a business owner knows that, we were going through, the recession of 08, 09, which was early in my career, was really formative in my mind. So how do you get ahead of that? How do you kind of prognosticate, if you will, and see what's coming in the future? And I always wanted to be at the leading edge. We've had COVID, we've had all kinds of different things that kind of ruffle feathers and really test who was going to make it in a very challenging marketplace. And so I think that's what I'm most proud of. I always had a plan for if I was going to fail, but we haven't. And it's been really exciting to look at the other end and say, you know what, we're having success, and what does that look like? So I think I'm the most proud of getting over that like 5-year hump, as they say, as a business, and we're enduring and thriving.
Yeah, and a lot of talk about the construction industry, the building industry, the interest rates, supply chain issues. Hopefully, that's come to somewhat of a slowdown or halt. So, considering everything that's going on in our economy today, what do the next 6 months look like for you and DDB Workshop?
For us, the next 6 months is actually we're really excited. We just acquired a building to make our office, and so we're making a headquarters office in the Hollands Market area. We're really excited to release some information about that. The next 6 months, we're ramping up with new hires. And now, what's really scary about that is the marketplace is saying there's a contraction. There's all this kind of like hold on to your, clutch your purse as you will. But we have a lot of loyal clients that come back for repeat work. And what's really fantastic about the sectors that we're so diversified in is that it always keeps us busy. So we've kind of aged out, as it were, from the kind of tire kicking clients that kind of come around and say, maybe I want to do this, maybe I don't know if I have the funds, to you're the guy, let's go, let's get it done. So we're really fortunate to be there. So 6 months, ramping up in our hires, building out our headquarter office space, and some really large scale projects that we're really proud of that are coming into fruition right now.
Yeah, interesting. So, what's it like for someone with your background and your skills and the skills of your company, developing, designing, and building to build your own sort of show space office down near Holland's Market? What's that process like?
It's funny when you're your own client, it's harder to make decisions a lot of times. So we're experiencing that right now, like internal, like, well, does this light fixture work? What do we want our space to be? What do we want it to say? So what's actually the answers that we're finding is going back into the history of the building. Maybe there are clues there that maybe we start to accentuate those things. And so, as opposed to trying to reinvent the wheel, we're actually looking back into the history of the building to say, where are the design cues there, and what is the story we want to tell? And we're just stewards of the built environment for a short period of time, basically. And how can we be that chapter in a long history of chapters for this building? So we tend to do that with a lot of our projects. What is the story that we're trying to tell? Yes, numbers have to work. Yes, we want to do beautiful architecture, but what is the client trying to achieve? And then what is the ultimate goal? And so we're trying to apply that to our office space, which is, it has its challenges, but I think we're really excited about the historical endeavor of the building.
Well, it sounds like a great process for you to go through, and I know I, for one, can't wait to see the finished product. It's going to be very exciting. So, Tamir, what do most people watching this video not know about you?
Watching this video and not know about me, I'm actually a little bit of a gearhead. I grew up racing motocross, and what's really interesting about that is I was exposed to all different types of cultures. Frankly, I mean, I came in as it's interesting the melting pot of all different types of people that go racing. You have lawyers out there, you have contractors, you have people that are gearheads in their own right, and so that's really where I learned how to really connect with people through hobby and through just interest, and so that has really carried through in what we do now. But I love motocross. I still watch it. We went to the Philly event that happened last weekend or 2 weekends ago to watch a race, and so that was really fun to take the kids. And I really just love adrenaline junkie kind of activities. So that's something that kind of and maybe that's a little bit of what we're at right now with construction and building your own projects. And there's a lot of adrenaline that happens with that too. So I think there's some correlation there. But yeah, that's something that people always are kind of an architect that rides motocross. That's kind of weird. But I'm a weird guy, I guess.
Listen, we're going to end it on that sound bite, right? I'm a weird guy, I guess. You might regret that, but nevertheless, we're going to end it on that sound bite. Tamir, it's been great having you spend some time with us today. I know all the viewers are going to really enjoy this quick interview and conversation, and I look forward to seeing you sometime soon.
I feel like I don't go too long without seeing you. I love running into you, Jim, and I appreciate you having me on for Java. I didn't have a full cup of Java, but I feel like we have to show it. My parents had dachshunds growing up, so I'll always have a dachshund nearby.
I love it. Love it. Well, thanks for spending time with us today, and I'll see you soon.
You have a great day,
All
buddy.
right. Bye.